So I'm out here at the Reddy Customs stall at the Bharat show, and behind me over here is a beautiful caravan built by them. It's ARAI approved. You can just buy it, hook it up to your 4x4, and you have a camper to go with you. Now this is called the Capsule House. That's what this concept's all about. But before we step inside, I just want to point out some key exterior features. One, you've got a sun deck up there. So you've got a deck that you can actually use, sit there, stare at the night sky while you're out camping. There's exterior awning. It can be set up. As you can see, these gentlemen are enjoying this setup over here. It also gets a complete balcony. So a nice sit out with space for you to just enjoy the open air. And if you want, you can look inside, watch the TV even while being seated outside. It also gets 2 permanent front wheels, which help with the towing process. So that's also something that you need to remember. And as I mentioned, it is ARAI approved. So when you do plug it up to your vehicle, if you apply the brakes, this vehicle will brake as well. So now let's take a look inside and what you get on board. So this over here is pretty much the living room. You've got a nice sofa, windows, it's air conditioned, and you've also got your pantry right over here. So all done up really well, controls for pretty much your lighting and everything that you require. A TV screen over here, and storage bays, as well as your complete pantry. Now this particular version gets a mini fridge, you got your wine glass holders, a nice vintage coffee machine, a microwave, and even a sink with running water. So pretty neat. This is your livable space, your living room. Sort of chill out over here with your friends, watch a game, watch your favorite movie while you're out glamping with this machine. But if you do need to unwind further, you want to relax, you can step into the bedroom. Now, again, neatly done. Space has been taken care of. This is one level of customization. Reddy Customs can really play around with the space and do it up even more to your liking, and kitting it out with the features that you would like. So this is your bedroom, and this is your bedroom area. You'll probably get this sealed off to have like additional storage space if you wanted. That's another option for you right there. Maybe get a second TV screen in here. You can always do things like that. But last but not the least is the washroom. Now, most mobile homes have a very small washroom, but if you take a look at this, they've actually kitted it out really well. So great lighting, ample room, and yes, you can even take a shower in here if you have to. So it's done up really well. It's got massive tanks underneath, so even if you are out there camping for a couple of days enjoying what a vehicle like this is for, you can be rest assured that you're going to have a great time and live it up while you're living out in the wild. Now this is something that, dreams are made of in many ways. But if you are looking at purchasing a product like this from Reddy Customs, just remember that you can customize it even further. You can get it done to your liking. You can choose colors, you can choose elements, and even play around with the layout as much as you want. Last but not the least would be the pricing. Now, when it comes to custom design and custom work like this, you can't really put a price to it, but what you're looking at over here is approximately about 30 lakhs in what you would get this particular trailer for. Now, depending on what you would like to customize it for, it can go up and down a bit. So I've been told that the range is from 30 to 40 lakhs would give you a brilliant custom trailer, and you would have this home capsule, in your garage, and it would just make travel and adventures so much more fun with your family. Last but not the least, what vehicle can tow something like this? Well, you need a 4x4, that's a given, but you need something with oodles of torque. So the Toyota Hilux would be a brilliant starting point for a vehicle that would tow a mobile house like this.